Two more braids to go, but what I can say, if you have thin hair just like me, do not do small braid, otherwise you're gonna struggle.
Can't kill what I.
Hi guys, and welcome in this video. It's my turn. It's finally time for me to try the miracle knots. Okay, I've been watching a lot of video about that. So many people trying the hairstyle, and today it's my turn. But for myself, I'm not going to braid my hair before using the crochet. I'm going to feed the hair while I'm braiding because I know how to do it, and I don't really see the point of me doing the braid before adding the curls. Okay, so the first thing was parting the hair because I was so scared that I don't have enough extension to do my hair. This hair is expensive. I think I bought it for almost 200, so I didn't want to mess up the hairstyle. And as you can see, the extension come in this color that is not exactly the same color as my hair, but it's kind of okay. You can see the difference, but it's not too much. I've decided as usual to start in the back of my hair. The first braid is always the most difficult, mostly when you do a hairstyle for the first time. So I just decided to add add 3 pieces of the miracle knots on each braid, and the first one at the beginning, as you can see. Then I'm adding a second one in the middle and the last one by the end. I kind of mess up a little bit on this one because the first 2 ones are a little bit too close, and you're gonna see that when I was doing adding the last piece, because my hair is thin, so I did add the last piece not too far so that it's not heavy and it's not going to pull my hair. We are making a protective hairstyle, so you can see that there's a big gap between the 2 first pieces and the last one, but don't worry because I'm changed a little bit where I'm adding the pieces on the other one. The first braid is always the one that give you all the vibes. Okay, so I'm done with the first one. It's not that bad, not too hard, but let's see. Okay, I will do the first line and the second line, and then I come back. Okay, here I'm done with the first pack of extension, and it really looks nice. Okay, I was so scared that I do not have the exact volume as the other people online, but kind of good. And if you ask me, is Burmese curls, and I have 18 inches. Okay, here I'm back with the second pack done. Okay, something also that I have to say is that while I was doing this hair and I was done with the first pack, I decided to add 4 curls instead, like 4 pieces of the extension instead of 3, to have more volume, because as I said at the beginning, my hair is thin and I wanted volumes, and I didn't want to do it small because it's going to be harder for me to do it. So I decided to add more curls so I can have the volume that I want. And you will see that even at the end, even me adding 4 curls, I still have hair that was, that I could use and add on the hairstyle. Okay, I did not use the entire 5 pack. I used almost 4 packs. Okay, so here is how I was doing that, but don't worry because at the point I will just stop at the beginning, like in the front of my hair. I will show you exactly how I do it. Okay, now I was just trying to add it and I use my mouth. Okay, I use my mouth to keep the curls out, But you can see that while doing this and going to the front, I'm adding the pieces more easily. It was more easily than at the beginning. But let me tell you, this hairstyle took me 5 to 6 hours, but I like it. Okay, here I was done with the second pack, starting now I was done with the third pack. Okay, I was done with the third pack and about to start the fourth. Yes, look at how it's looking. Amazing. I was so happy. So here's the fourth pack, and I will just continue to do the same exact thing, adding 4 curls. This hairstyle is really light, okay, and I'm going to show you how I'm adding the hair at the end. By the end, I'm mixing the extension with my own hair, and I'm braiding until I'm done with my own hair. And that's it. Not really complicated, and I love how it looks. So I'm almost at the end. Only have 2 more braids to go. But what I can say, if you have thin hair just like me, do not do small braid. Otherwise, you're gonna struggle. Except if somebody is doing it for yourself. But here is exactly what I do. I first add some product on my hair, and then I'm going to add the hair starting at the beginning. So I will first do just a first braid like this. Then I'm adding the first extension and I'm leaving one out. I'm just making sure that the thread on the hair is in my hair, okay? Then I'm adding again, and while I'm braiding, I'm going to remove the pieces. You see, I'm going to remove the pieces, and I'm going to add again, okay? I'm going to add and then also removing at the same time. And while I'm doing that, I make sure that I'm not removing them too close to each other. I have to leave a small space so that it's looking nice. And at the end, when I'm almost at the end of my hair, like it's missing let's say around 5 inches, then I add the last piece, and I'm going to use it until I'm done with my own hair. As you can see, I'm almost serious when I'm doing my hair. Okay, I need to be focused because I want it to be exactly how I have it in my mind. Okay, so as you can see, this is how I end the hair, and it's really nice. Look at how many curls I have in one braid, and this is what is going to give you volume. So if you have thin hair just like me, make sure to add a lot of curls, and here is how it's looking at the end. And as I said, here in the picture I only have almost 4 packs, okay, and this is how it looks. I washed the hair before installing it, so that's why the curls are not really defined as the Burmese curly that you will see, but that's Burmese curly, okay? Look how big are my parts. But let me tell you that because I have thin hair, this is what I will recommend to you if you want to achieve this kind of hairstyle, okay? And you can maybe, if you want more volume, add more pieces on each braid. I could have added like 4 pieces in the back too, but I was so scared that I don't have enough. So these are the missing piece of the 4th pack, and this is the 5th pack that it's not even used, okay? But look at how the hair is doing. I'm going to add a little bit of water to show you guys how it's going to look when it's wet. It's going to give another vibe, okay? But it's a good vibe. I'm going to let you guys watch it, and I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, and enjoy. Bye bye.
Can't kill what I've become. I scream until I'm numb. Now with the summer skies, you're gone. There's nothing I can do or say to get to you. Now I don't know where I belong. I'm screaming at the ceiling. Every word's a twisted feeling. Feelings I can't let go. Oh, the thunder keeps calling. The raindrops won't stop falling. Falling down in a hole. That love lies in my head, 'cause I fell for all you said. Too easy. Dark clouds won't let me forget. I don't know why I let it get to me. It gets to me. 'Cause I think of you every time it rains. One drop is all it takes. And it's pouring, it's pouring, it's pouring, it's pouring, it's pouring, it's pouring, keeps pouring and pouring. I'm screaming at the ceiling. Every word's a twisted feeling. Feelings I can't let go. And the thunder keeps calling. The raindrops won't stop falling. Falling down in a hole. I don't know why I let it get to me. It gets to me. Can't kill what I've become. I scream until I'm numb. Now with the summer skies, you're gone. There's nothing I can do or say to get to you. Now I don't know where I belong. I'm screaming at the ceiling. Every word's a twisted feeling.